Not a mandatory requirement for them, and there's no regular monitoring, as I've said. So, but our strength is that there are employees looking for sales lead for us. And as a sales manager, we also give directions. We give them sales. We know where the market should be, so at least there is focus. And prospects are pre-qualified. So for our action plan, there should be a number of prospects. We should monitor them regularly. If we could do it, let's say, in a day, we could just set up, let's say, 10 minutes of our time to discuss what should be our plan for the week. Then for our inquiry, stage of inquiry, for our weaknesses, we do not have a process of consolidation and no religious tracking of inquiries. For Marife, there's advertisement every Sunday in the newspapers. So once we get the inquiry, the problem is that who would consolidate, who would follow that up? It just goes down. And then at the end of the day, you would notice that you have a call, but it didn't transcribe to any. And then
so a lot of inquiries could be getting wasted.
Wasted, yes.
Right.
So there's no monitoring still.
That's right.
But our strength is that we have customer representatives that track the clients. It's just that we're having a hard time closing or finding the right clients to do the market. And then for the action plan, the best thing that we have to do is to document, consolidate, and summarize all inquiries, and should be endorsed to the proper person.
Good.
For our appointment getting, for our weaknesses, number one is that we don't have any standard cycle time. And we do not monitor conversion from prospect to appointments. But our strength is that accounts have been filtered by the sales representatives, or let's say we're supervisors. And then for our action plan, we have to set definite timeline to respond to the prospects to get appointments. We're actually saying that probably this could be done within 3 days. And as I've said, we should set morning huddle, meaning 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day. And then Love would discuss the other stage of our...
Kuya na yun. Malapit masyado. Okay, for preparation, so we start in strength. So during preparation, we already lay down all the questions.